Hi there, my name is Caitlin Bronsky. I'm a local resident and realtor here in Scottsdale, known for redesigning and renovating homes throughout the valley for the last 13 years. I believe that every home has the potential to sell for its maximum value. And there are too many sellers in the valley that have been selling their homes to cash investors who turn around and capture the equity that should have been yours. Since 2013, I have helped countless homeowners to make strategic updates to their home, allowing them to sell for a great value and putting more money in their pocket. I hope that this equity guide you're about to download is something that will help to do this for you. And if you're thinking about selling soon and would like to get my expert guidance on exactly what to do to sell your home, or you just want to know an honest opinion of what the best way forward is to exit your home, book an appointment with me today. I also work with buyers who are looking to find a great deal on a fixer-upper so that we can work together and build the equity into your home while creating your dream home. Want to know more? Give me a call at 480-684-0800 and let's maximize your equity today.